Hi guys, I was recently interviewed with the company name as Perennial System of Pune. So they were hiring for 4 year plus of experience for the position of Java developer. So I was holding a 3.3 of experience, but being an immediate joiner, they considered my profile over there. So my stacks are, as you can see on the screen, and they were hiring for Java developer, associate, senior associates over there. And the package which they were offering, it's of 13 LPA for 3.3 years of experience. So first of them, it will be a assessment round, which you will get from the HR, where you will be just from whom you will be contacted out. Means let's suppose you got from Naukri or LinkedIn profile, wherever it is. So they will share one of the assessment round for 1 hour, which will contain one coding and 19 objective questions, which will be related with Java, Spring Boot, microservices, REST API, and it could be of AWS also, depending upon like whatever the position you are applying for. So there are 4 rounds of interview over here: Java L1 technical round, Java L2 managerial, and HR over there. So for Java L1 technical round, I can say like it was a bit difficult. So let's go with this. Firstly, they asked with the Java thing. So new Java 8 features, whatever the function interface lambda expression. So whatever you have studied, they will just ask you out with they can provide a code snippet for this also to just make it done over there. And apart from this, we will go with they will go with oops with the real world example problems. So you need to tell the all the 4 oops concept with the one of the example relating with each other, and a basic question of overloading overriding. And from this they will ask like static and dynamic binding, at what run time and compile time, what they are doing. So going with another design pattern from Spring Boot, they will ask to write a singleton pattern implementation on the screen by sharing your screen over there. IOCDI common question, inversion of control and dependency injection. Inheritance for the from the Java, they will provide you a inheritance job, what we can say inheritance snippet question. So it could be like they could be providing a wrong snippet and would be telling you to figure it out the what things are wrong and how you can implement it, how you can make it correct over there. So 2 to 3 questions were there, mainly related with the multiple inheritance. So you just read from the Java T point. So from there only they were asking the things, just only the printing things were different over there. So exception handling, going with the try catch with finally block. As you know, like finally block will always execute whether that try catch working or not over there. You are getting exceptions or not. So a snippet they will provide and ask the output for the same. Difference between string buffer builder. So main difference mutability concepts. So just go through this, which is fast, which is slow, and area where they are being stored, all the things for this. And going with the coding question, it was from assessment only, which we got over here in assessment round 1 coding. So he will ask you to explain that, and if it's correct then it's fine, otherwise they will say you to just correct it out and you will just explain the question. So question was like this: we were getting one string with the named as JVA high Y. So it was containing some digits over here. So you need to count the digit with the sum is equal to sum plus whatever it is 213 2 for this and 314 for this. So as 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 for this, so at third index position the word Java need to be placed in the provided in the returning string. So like let's suppose it's high, so we will count is as 2 over here, so it will go on the second index, so it will printing like in ascending order it need to be printed. So the question was like remove digit from string and count it and place it at same index position in ascending order. So please go through this. It's a quite tricky one. First you need to take out each of the words from the string. So and you need to just count it the things like at what index you can it will be placed. So creating a list over there, you can place at that same position and you can convert that list to means string of list to the normal string to return it. So please be prepared for these type of questions. They mainly ask like this. And After this they will ask the same like what is the complexity and space complexity of a program. So you can say like n square, whatever the loops you are recording over there, whatever the concepts you are doing, and what is your approach. So approach should be different. So for all space complexity and complexity will be changing over there. And the last question what he gave was geeks from geeks. It was from geeks from geeks. Find Excel column number from column title. So go through this from geeks of geeks. Just note it down somewhere and go from this. It's a tricky question over there. You need to multiply 26 position of the alphabet over there to get that result, and a should be included after that. So please go through this, and I can say like it was a bit difficult, so please be prepared for this. And it's a Java 1 technical round. After Java 2 you can suppose means for Java L2 what they can ask for this. Apart from this, just be prepared for this. With Java T point you can go through the concepts and geeks from geeks, and no lead code questions were asked over here, so it's fine, just you can crack it up. Thanks.